What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to name 3 different amines. So as you see here, the first one is amine because we have nitrogen is connected to alkyl group, and it means that we have another hydrogen in here. And since, as we said in previous videos, ammonia, when the hydrogen atoms are replaced with alkyl groups, we're going to have primary, secondary, or tertiary amine. If one of these hydrogen is substituted with alkyl or aryl group, we call it primary. If 2 of them are substituted, we call it secondary amine. And if all 3 hydrogens are substituted with alkyl or aryl group, we call it tertiary amine. Here, as you see here, only 2 of the hydrogens are replaced with alkyl groups, so that's why we call it a secondary amine. So here we have one. When we want to name it, we need to start from this side because that's connected to this part. So I'm going to have number 1, carbon number 1, 2, 3, and this one becomes 4 because they are closer to N in here. So then we have side branch. Here we have bromo, and here we have methyl connects to the other side of the nitrogen. So we have N-methyl 2-bromo. So that's why we have 2-bromo, it comes first, N-methyl butanamine. Or you're going to say 2-bromo N-methyl 1-butanamine. Next one, we have ammonia. We have NH2 and we have OH, which is alcohol group or hydroxy group. OH is more prior comparing to NH2, amino group. So we have amino group and hydroxy group. We are dealing with an alcohol. So in order to name it, we can start from this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to have 2 amino, 3 pentanol, or we can have 2 amino, 3 or pent 3-ol. And next one we have amino group, bromo and bromo. We start numbering from, we can do it from this side or this side. It's better to have it 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. No, we need to start from this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Because amino group gets a smaller number when we start numbering from the right hand side. So we're going to have 4 and 4 dibromo, 3 hexanamine. That's going to be the name of this organic compound. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible.